MCM Plant-based cutting fluid.
The best or nothing.
MCM Plant-based cutting fluid will be your best choice. MCM is a professional manufacturer of green and low-carbon cutting fluids to satisfy your ESG practice. MCM strictly controls the quality of all raw materials in order to provide customers with a long and stable use and a good experience. MCM strict control of raw materials. MCM plant-based cutting fluid is a new type of cutting fluid that replaces mineral oil with plant-based ingredients. It has been widely used and recognized in the market for its excellent cleaning, defoaming, lubricating and cooling properties. Today, the external sales of MCM plant-based cutting fluids have exceeded $10 billion, which is the trust and responsibility of customers to MCM. As a global leading manufacturer of plant-based cutting fluids, MECOM is committed to providing customers with the highest quality products and services. MECOM's green and sustainable development philosophy and high-quality products and services have made MCM the preferred choice of customers around the world. MECOM showcased its plant-based high-efficiency cutting fluids at the International Exhibition, which attracted a lot of attention and enthusiastic response. These products are widely recognized in the market for their excellent quality and performance, which can increase the competitiveness of customers' products. At the same time, domestic customers also showed great interest in MCM's plant-based cutting fluid products and chose to use them. These feedbacks are the affirmation and support of MECOM's continuous efforts and improvements, as well as the high recognition of product quality and innovative R&D standards. MCM plant-based cutting fluid will be your best choice. Your success, we make it happen. Choose MECOM, make your success happen.